welcome to our video. In this video we will learn how to make a dynamic sidebar and we will review our header. In last video we faced error in our WP dashboard and it faced for the functions calling. If we want to call a function which is not set by default in WordPress, so we have to write the word function. It's the syntax of PHP, and while I write it, and now I will reload my WP dashboard, and now it is okay. And if I want to reload my front end, it will also be okay, and it is okay. So we will learn now how to make a dynamic sidebar. So let's get started. For a dynamic sidebar, we will take a div in index.php. We took a div called ls. Ls means left sidebar, and I put some style in this, and now we have to call a PHP function in here which is dynamic sidebar, and we have to give a criteria here, that is which I set it in functions.php, the ID name of sidebar. In a website I can have many sidebar, but to make individually edit and to set individually sidebar in a div, we have to mention the ID of this sidebar. So I like to keep in left sidebar which ID is 2. I set here 2, and now I save it. See, this is left sidebar, this is top sidebar. I don't set anything for top sidebar. Now if I drop a widget here and save it, it will not show in our front end. It will not showing in our front end, but if we keep it in left sidebar, it will show in our front end because I put the left sidebar's ID in here. If I now reload this, calendar is showing, and in this calendar if I inspect it, I see it is in a div in a li. If I want to change the tag, so I can use some PHP functions which is before widgets, after widgets. If I set a title, like if I want to set a title, this is my calendar. If we want to reload that, it is showing my calendar. So if I now inspect on it, it has also a own tag h2. Sometimes I need to set different tag in here. I need to set h3 or h4 or h1. So in this time I can change the tag here by using before title, after title. Let's see what will be happen if I do that. I have to do is in functions.php. And if we now save this and reload our front end, see the tag has been changed and turned into h1. So now we can make dynamic our sidebar, and now we are clear our dynamic here, and now we are ready to learn edit post settings to make dynamic a custom post type and edit or make dynamic posts. In next video we will learn this. Thanks for today. Stay safe. Thank you.